Okay, yesterday we
Good morning,
started
sir.
with a new chapter, pair of linear equations. Today we are going to study about how to solve the pair of linear equations in a substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. Before that, there are some conditions. According to that, we can decide the pair of linear equations intersect or parallel or collinear. Okay, right. See here. So as we already studied that pair of linear equations means two set of equations. See here, any linear equation, that is each solution xy of a linear equation in two variables ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is the standard form of a linear equation in two variables. This is a linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables corresponds to a point on the line corresponding the equation and vice versa. So if we want to say pair of linear equations, if we use the term pair, means we have to take two such equations. Okay, see here. Okay, these two linear equations are in same two variables x and y. Equation like are called a pair of linear equation in two variables. Means the general form of a pair of linear equation in two variables x and y is given by a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. In both the equations, x is same and y is same. Okay, x, x, l, y. Only the coefficients are changing. See, here x coefficient is a1, here x coefficient is a2, here y coefficient is b1, y coefficient is b2. Constant terms are c1 and c2. Only the thing is coefficients are changing. Okay, so such equations are called as pair of linear equations in two variables x and y. So according to this, we have three cases of pair of linear equations. One is the two lines will intersect at one point. So one condition one, the two lines will intersect at one point. Another thing is the two line will not intersect. Will not intersect means they never intersect up to infinity. They are called as what? Parallel lines. Parallel lines never intersect. That's why such pair called as parallel lines. The two lines will be coincident. Coincident means I already told you in previous class that coincident means one line is over the other. Okay, the two lines will be coincident lines. Okay, right. So regarding that, so this is the intersecting lines, pair of lines were intersecting at one point. Okay, so here pair of lines never intersecting. Never intersecting means the lines are called as what? Parallel lines. Next, lines are coincident. Two pair
Coincident.
of lines are
Two pair of lines are
coincident.
coincident.
Srishail, please off
Srishail,
your speaker.
please off your speaker.
Okay, so this is one line. Okay, here to here is one straight line and another straight line is exactly over the first line. That's why these two lines are called as coincident lines. Okay, so regarding that, we have one table. See, in such cases, see, pair of lines ಯಾವಾಗ coincident ಇರ್ತಾವ ಯಾವಾಗ coincident ಇರಲ್ಲ by watching the equations we can say. See here, what is this a1? Coefficient of x. What is this a2? That is also coefficient of x. What is this b1? Coefficient of y. b2 coefficient of y. c1 constant term, C2 is also constant term. If you take A1 by A2, B1 by B2, C1 by C2 relation, by these relations, by comparing, we can say lines are intersecting or parallel or coincident. We can say by this relation. See here, we are taking one pair of linear equations here. X minus 2y equal to 0, 3x plus 4y minus 20 equal to 0. Here constant term is not there. It means constant term is taken as 0 here. Okay, see here, x coefficient is 1, 1 divided by 3. See here, 1 divided by 3. Here y coefficient is minus 2 divided by 4, minus 2 divided by 4. So constant term is 0 here, 0 divided by minus 20. So see here, 0 divided by minus 20. So compare these coefficients. Here it is clear that this ratio is not equal to this. So A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. In such case, lines are intersecting lines. So ಇವೆರಡು ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು, ಈ ತರ A1 by A2 ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು B1 by B2 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತವೆ, ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಆರ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇ ದಟ್ ಯುನಿಕ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. intersecting lines will give exactly one solution. Lines ಯಾವ ತರ ಇರ್ತಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, lines are intersecting. So how many solutions they have? Unique solutions, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು solution ಅನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೊಂದಿದಾವೆ. Next, so another equation, consider one more example. 2x plus 3y minus 9 equal to 0, 4x plus 6y minus 18 equal to 0. Here compare the coefficients of A1 A2. A1 by A2 is 2 divided by 4. 2 divided by 4 means that is 1 by 2. Is it right? Next, 3 divided by 6. 3 divided by 6 means that is also 1 divided by 2. Okay. Next, 9 divided by 18. Minus 9 by minus 18. Minus minus get cancelled. 9 ones are 9 twos are. This is also 1 by 2. Here all the ratios are equal. So 1 by 2, this also 1 by 2, this also 1 by 2. It means that we can easily clearly say that A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Such equations are coincident lines. Will give what? Coincident lines. Such equations are called as what? Coincident lines. And means one line is over the other line. Such equations are called coincident lines. Means they have infinitely many solutions. They have how many solutions? Infinitely many solutions. Coincident lines have infinitely many solutions. Okay. Next, so if you consider one more example, x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. In this case, one here coefficient of x is 1, here 2, 1 by 2. Coefficient of x is 2. Coefficient of y is 2. Here coefficient of y is 4. 2 divided by 4. So this is 1 by 2. This is also 1 by 2. But minus 4 by minus 12. This is 1 by 3. So 4 divided by 12 is 1 divided by 3. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 3. It means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2, but not equal to C1 by C2. It means that lines are parallel. Means that line gives that two lines are parallel lines. If they are parallel lines, means they never intersect. If any intersection are coincident, then we have solution. Parallel lines have no solutions. That's why there is no solution. Okay. So regarding one more thing we have to know about these is here, the lines may intersect. Andre lines intersect adre, the lines may intersect in a single point. Single point alli intersect adre ನಾವು ಏನಂತ ಕರೆದ್ವಿ, ಯುನಿಕ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತಂದಾಗ ಯುನಿಕ್. In this case, the pair of equations have a unique solution. ಒಂದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಒಂದೇ ಟೇಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿಸ್ತೀನಿ ನಂತರದಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿತೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ, ಅಬೌಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು, ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್, ಅವನ್ನ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಯುನಿಕ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇದ್ವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗ ಲೈನ್ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ವಿ ಸೇ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ದ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್. ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಇದ್ವು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ no solution. Lines parallel idu ಅಂದ್ರೆ we can say lines are having no solution. Okay, that type equations are called inconsistent. They are not consistent anta. So inconsistent pair of equations, inconsistent pair of equations ಅವನ್ನ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಇನ್ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ನೀವು, ಇನ್ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ದ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಕೋಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಕೋಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಗೆ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟ್ಲಿ ಮೆನಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾವಂತ ನಮಗ್ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಸಿ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟ್ಲಿ ಮೆನಿ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇದನ್ನ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಾನು ಕರಿಬಹುದು. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟ್ರೂ ಅಂತ, ಅದು ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬಹುದು. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಡ್ ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕೋಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ. ಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದ್ದು ಯುನಿಕ್ ಏನೋ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟು, ಕೋಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟು, ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೋಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, all of you understand the concept about consistency, about behavior of lines, whether they are parallel, intersecting or coincident, and also unique solution, infinitely many solution, and no solution.
No, sir.
Not understood?
No, sir.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ ಇಷ್ಟೊತ್ತನ? ಹೇಳಿದ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ?
ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಸರ್.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ನಾನು? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋದಂಗೆಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. We can try examples. Okay, so in exercise 3.2, see here, on comparing the ratio a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, find out whether the lines representing the following pair of linear equations intersecting at a point are parallel or coincident anta helidare. So let us consider first equation, 5x minus 4y plus 8 equal to 0, 7x minus 9. We have two equations. Okay, first we have to compare the coefficients of x, a1 by a2. So what is this? a1 by a2, 5 by 7. So b1 by b2, what is b1 by b2? Minus 4 divided by 6, that means minus 2 by 3. 2 2s are 2 3s are minus 2 by 3. So c1 by c2 is what? 8 divided by 9. Compare whether a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 or not? Hello, everyone listening or not? a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 or not?
No, sir.
Yes. No. So because 5 by 7 is not equal to minus 2 by 3. That's why, therefore, A1 by A2 not equal to B1 by B2. Then what we say about the lines? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ತರದ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಇವು?
intersect,
Very good. Therefore, lines are intersecting lines. Lines are intersecting lines. If lines are intersecting, then what about the solution?
sir, unique solutions,
Therefore, lines have unique solution. Means one solution. Okay, one solution andru ade unique andre one. Okay, unique solution or one solution. Then what about the consistency? Whether they are consistent or inconsistent or dependent consistent?
Consistent.
Therefore, very good. Lines are consistent. Okay, lines are consistent. ಎಲ್ಲವಕ್ಕೂ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಕೇಳಿದಾರೆ ಅವರು? ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗು, ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್, ಕೋಇನ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಾನು ಒಂದೇ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮೂರು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ತಿಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯುನಿಕ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ consistent. Okay, so second question. Move to second question. What is they have given? 9x plus 3y plus 12 equal to 0, 18x plus 6y plus 24 equal to 0. In this equation, a1 by a2 is equal to what? 9 by 18. 1s are 2s are, so 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to what? 3 by 6. 1s are 2s are, 1 by 2. c1 by c2 is equal to what? 12 divided by 24. 12 1s are, 12 2s are, so that is also 1 by 2. It means a1 by a2 is also 1 by 2, b1 by b2 is also 1 by 2, c1 by c2 is also 1 by 2. It means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So what do you say about the lines? Which type of lines they are?
Coincidence, sir.
Yes. Therefore, lines are coincident. Okay, lines are coincident. Therefore, so what about the solution?
infinite,
Many solutions, sir.
Infinitely many solution. Lines have infinitely many solutions. Okay, next, about consistency. What do you say about consistency?
Inconsistent.
Inconsistent? You are wrong.
sir, dependent,
Yes,
Dependent,
they
sir.
are dependent consistent. Dependent consistent. Dependent consistent. Okay, dependent consistent solutions. Okay, so third question. So what is the third question? 6x minus 3y plus 10 equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Here a1 by a2 is equal to 6 by 2, that is 3 by 1. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 1. Minus minus get cancelled, that is also 3 by 1. C1 by C2 is equal to 10 by 9. So here, therefore, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. See here, here also 3 by 1, 3 by 1 means A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2. Therefore, what do you say about the lines?
Parallel lines, sir. Parallel, sir.
Lines are parallel. Lines are parallel. Okay. Therefore, what about the solution?
No solution, sir.
Lines have no solution. Lines have no solution. Okay. Next, about consistency.
Inconsistent.
Yes. Lines are inconsistent. Okay. Lines are inconsistent. Lines are inconsistent. So, have you all understood about the lines and properties of pair of linear equations in two variables? All of you understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the about the conditions. Okay. Now we are going to know about algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equations. Okay, so we have, there are three methods. One is substitution method, second one is elimination method, and third one is cross multiplication method. So we have three methods: substitution method, elimination method, and cross multiplication method. Regarding these, we are going to solve first one, that is substitution method. So today in this class we are going to study about substitution method. Okay, so take one example. Solve the following pair of equations by substitution method. Okay, so equation is like this: 7x minus 15y is equal to 2, equation 1. So x plus 2y is equal to 3, equation number 2. Okay, so in these two equations we can substitute the value of y, or you may substitute the value of x. So depending upon the easiest one. So ನನಗೆ second equation easy ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ, ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. Consider equation 2. So what is that? X plus 2y is equal to 3. So if you take x is equal to, it means 3 minus 2y. So consider this as a 3. Substitute the value of x in equation 1. So equation 2 ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So x is equal to what? 3 minus 2y. So we have to substitute in equation 1, that is 7x minus 15y is equal to 2. So instead of x, write 3 minus 2y. 3 minus 2y. So this minus keep as it is, 15y as it is, equal to 2. So 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14y, plus into minus, minus 14y. So minus 15y is equal to 2. So bring this 2 to left side and these two. So first solve this. 21 for minus 14 minus 15. What is your answer? Minus 14y minus 15y.
Minus 19, sir. Minus 29y, sir.
Sir, minus
Yes,
29y.
Minus 29y is equal to 2. So bring minus 29y to right side and this 2 to left side. So 21, this plus 2 becomes minus 2. This minus 29 becomes plus 29y. So this is 19 is equal to 29y. This implies y is equal to what? 19 divided by 29. ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Denominator ಗೆ divide ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So y is equal to 19 divided by 29. This is the value of y. Okay. Therefore, put y is equal to 19 divided by 29 in equation 2 ದೊಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, 3 ದೊಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ, 1 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. ಯಾವ equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ನಿಮಗೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Therefore, x is equal to 3 minus 2 into y is 19 divided by 29. X is equal to 3 minus 2 19s are 38 divided by 29. So this is equal to what? By taking the LCM, 29 3s are how much? 87. So 87 minus 38. So 87 minus 38 is 49 divided by 29. 49 divided by 29. So x is 49 divided by 29 and y is 19 divided by 29. See here. So y is 19 divided by 29. By substituting the value of y in equation, so 49 divided by 29 is the value of x. Therefore, the solutions are x is equal to 49 divided by 29 and y is equal to 19 divided by 29. Therefore, solutions x is equal to 49 divided by 29 and y is equal to 19 divided by 29. Like this, we have to solve by using substitution method. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇವತ್ತಿಂದು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. See here. So first question. So what is this? Solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution method. Exercise 3.3. So x plus y is equal to 14. X minus y is equal to 4. Equation 1 and 2. You can take any of the two equations. You can take any of these two equations to solve by substitution method. Consider ಯಾವ equation ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ? You only say first one or second one?
Second one.
So x minus y equal to 4. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಾದ ನಂತರ consider equation 2. Okay, so equation 2, that is x minus y is equal to 4. So ನಾವು x ನಾದ್ರೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, y ನಾದ್ರೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ? ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ
Y
ಎಕ್ಸ್
sir, Y.
ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಲೆಕ್ಕ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ವಾಯ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲ್ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವಾಯ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ bring this 4 to this side, that becomes minus 4 is equal to, so this is minus y is there, if you take this to right side means that is plus y, therefore y is equal to x minus 4. ಇದು ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ y ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಹಾಗೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ, y is equal to x minus 4. So call this as equation number 3. Put y is equal to x minus 4 in equation 1. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ x plus y is equal to 14. So x plus, instead of y we have to substitute x minus 4. X minus 4 is equal to 14. Y value is x minus 4, so substituted here. So x plus 1 into x is x, plus into minus is minus 4 equal to 14. So x plus x is 2x is equal to 14. Bring this to right side means plus 4. So 2x is equal to 18. So x is equal to 18 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So x is equal to 2. Put x is equal to 2 in equation 3. 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, 1 ಆದ್ರೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, 2 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, 3 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Therefore y is equal to, x value is 2 minus 4. So y is equal to what? Minus 2. Therefore solutions are x is equal to 2 and y is equal to minus 2. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ?
Yes, sir.
Yes
You can
sir.
take this screenshot. You can take this screenshot. Okay. Next, take screenshot of this also. Take the screenshot of this also. Okay. So this completes today class and also substitution method. So solve exercise 3.1, 3.2 and 3.3. Okay. Solve all the 3 exercises. So already solved some of the questions from exercise 3.1 and 3.2. Okay. So you need to solve third exercise 3.3. So tomorrow there is no class. So till Sunday there is no class. 23rd onwards you have offline classes in the school only. Okay. So class ಅಲ್ಲಿ 23rd ಗೆ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, 23rd ಗೆ at any condition ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಕೊಡಿ, ಇವತ್ತೇ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 3-4 days ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ ಕೂಡಲೇನೆ ನೀವು ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಇಬ್ಬರೇ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಬಂದ್ರು ಕೂಡ ನಾನು ಮಂಡೇ ಇಂದ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಟೂ ಲೇಟ್ ಟು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ದಿ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ COVID-19. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಸಾರಿ ನೀವು 10th ಇದೀರಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ತಡ ಆಗೋದು ಬೇಡ. ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ 16 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರಿ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಿತ್ತೂರಾಣಿ ಚೆನ್ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕೂಡ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಉಳಿದವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಮಂಡೇ ಇಂದ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಇವನ್ ರೆಸಿಡೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಇಂದಾನು ಕೂಡ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬಂದಾಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ನಿನ್ನೆನೆ ಬಂದಾಗಿದೆ. Take care. Bye bye.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.